Assalamualaikum. My name is Zain abideen from class 2C. I make a project about natural resources that a Sui Gas plant. Sui Gas is a natural resource deposit in the earth surface. It is a fossil fuel and took hundreds of years to be made. It is used for generating electricity for domestic purpose, as fuel for vehicles, and also used in industries. But unfortunately in Pakistan, there is a shortage of Sui gas due to which we have a lot of problems. What is fossils? Remains of dead animals and plants are called fossils. What is natural resources name? Natural resources name is called sunlight, plants, animals, and water. Thank you.